Alright, so here we got a couple units at this Carnival. 2 of them are running right now. Here's this Ream plastic package unit, kind of. Set my drink down real quick. So yeah. Oh, this train is shut off. We're walking alright, not the best. Plastic trains. Take a couple pictures here. Yeah, here's this Ream. It is from 2022. It means it's 7.5 ton. And here's this other Train XR13. Train XB13, these are XBs. Here it is. Yeah. I did get a running video of this morning, but I don't think I'm gonna upload it. Here it is, a lion squirrel. Yeah, I'm at this Carnival. There's a bunch of units. There's all these, and there's there's a Train Odyssey over there. Looks like a Train Voyage, another Train Odyssey, and another Carrier Comfort. Oh, and this Carrier just shut off as well. Here it is. It's an LG Scroll. It's from the 49th week of 2019, 4 ton. And yeah, she's working good. Compared to that 4 ton Carrier. Oh yeah, about that 4 ton Carrier at the fire department. I didn't make a video of it, but you guys remember that brutal death of it. I went to it yesterday, and somebody took the disconnect. So that unit is out of service. Thank goodness. So that Carrier should be getting replaced pretty soon. So yeah. And here's this other one. This one's older. Yeah, that's a Comfort. It looked like a Century. Down that train right there. Yep. I might just make this into one video, and then I'll film those others in another video. Here it is. Also LG. This is from the 19th week of 2018, I believe. Yep. 4 ton. And it has not been running. Might see if we can get a start up with this thing. I'm not sure. And here's this one. This one recently shut off. There's an XB13 from 2010. Of January 2010. 2.5 ton, I think. There's the compressor. So yeah. Let me get a couple pictures here. And here's this one. This one is also from 2010. January 2010. This one's a 3 ton. This one's also a 3 ton, actually. Yep, these two are exact same. Again, here's this air temp. These are not good units. Yep, micro channel. It looks like. It might have been running, actually. Yeah, no, not that. This unit's from 2022. 4 ton. I filmed it this morning. I didn't see that tonnage, so Yeah. Looks like that's a Gentech fan motor. And lastly, here's this train. It's looking good. Gentech, a GE. This is from November of 2009. And it's a 3.5 ton. Yeah, this one has... Looks like a Gentech ECM. That's an ECM with swept fan blades. So yeah. I'm gonna get a couple pictures of these units as well. So yeah. This one does not have a logo. See, there's all the suction lines going in there. So yeah, little HVAC Heaven right here. Alright. Yep. Well, yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.